Hi everyone, welcome to the Threat Remediation Setup video. This immediately follows the Office 365 connector video, so if you haven't set that up yet, then go back and watch that. The Office 365 connector must be configured first. We will need access to your Office 365 Admin Center, Libraesva ESG, and the Exchange Admin Center within Office 365. I'm your host Samuel, let's jump straight into it. First thing we'll do is create a server's account within Office 365's Admin Center. We can create this account with no license, don't worry, it will still function perfectly fine. We need this account to impersonate our users so that we can dip into their mailboxes and remediate any threats. We'll need to set the password ourselves and we'll just give it a generic name. Next, we'll flip over to the Exchange Admin Center and create a new admin role to apply to our new user. I'll call this something to do with impersonation and add a new role. We need the application impersonation role. I'll then add our new service account user to this admin group. Let's flip back over to the Threat Remediation connector section within Libraesva ESG. We need to choose the relay domain this applies to. This will be the same as the 365 connector we set up earlier. Select the mail server as Office 365, add the username and password respectively of our server's account, and select the 365 connector that will be able to find our users and groups. This will also be the one we created in our previous video. Next, we have a choice to make for our delete mode. We can choose soft delete, which moves the email in question to a hidden folder that the user cannot access, but this remains on the 365 email server. Hard delete, which completely removes the email from the 365 server, and move to the recycle bin, which speaks for itself. Make sure to test your new threat remediation connector, and we're all set. Thanks for watching everyone. That's the Office 365 threat remediation service all set up. We'll catch you in the next video. Feel free to check out our other videos. Thank you.